Hi, I'm Madame Sheila and this is Lydia. We are working in our Music Theory Beginner A book and we are on page 6 and it's talking about the direction of pitch. So the left hand fingers can move in a patterned direction, going up high or going down low. So we are going to see what happens when we step from different fingers in our left hand. Can you put your left hand finger 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on any white keys? So we're going to use white keys. Good job. So we're going to put one finger. Is it okay if I move your fingers? We're going to put one finger on each sound. Now we know on the piano that there's high sounds and there's low sounds, but we're also learning that sounds can step up, 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 and they can step which way? Down, 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 down. So a pattern can step up. Let's play from our left hand. Start with finger 5. Can you play finger 5? And then finger 4. And then finger 3. Play a little louder. 3. And then finger 2. And then finger 1. Oh, do that again. Let's see. I wonder which way it's stepping. Is it stepping up when we're going this way, or is it stepping down? Let's try it. Ready? Do it again. Let's see. 5. Which, and then finger 4 on the next finger. Way, oops, so we forgot one of our fingers. So let's get all those fingers up. Thank you for letting me move your fingers. Okay, so ready? Finger 5 again. Which way are we stepping?
Up.
Wow! What happens when we start with finger 1 and go this way? Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Down.
Oh my goodness, that was so good. So now Lydia is going to play these patterns. Actually, we're going to start here on these patterns at the bottom, and she's going to see which direction the patterns are going. So let's start at our first one. It says here to start at finger 2, then finger 3, then finger 4. Which is finger 2? Thumbs are number 1. Our thumbs are number 1. Good job. So play finger 2, play finger 3, play finger 4. Was that stepping up or stepping down?
Down.
Wow, you are so smart. Can you circle that stepping down for me? Ready? That's this one right here. So the stepping downwards. By doing these exercises at the piano, we are really reinforcing that, number 1, theory is not just writing at a desk. Theory is learning how to play the piano at the piano, the writing part of it. And number 2, we're reinforcing that what we see on the piano or on the book is what we hear with our ears when we play it on the piano. Because when Lydia played this, the arrow was going down. The stairs were going here, starting at the top, stepping from 2 to 3 to 4, and that if you were walking, if Sola or Tito were walking on those stairs, they would be going down too. And which way did the sound go? The sound went down.
Down.
Isn't that amazing? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.